Okay, we've been a little over 2 weeks on this Kia. We have been going nuts trying to figure out what was going on. We did cam sensors, crank sensors, new timing, belt, everything. For some reason, we kept hearing it firing into the intake. We checked the timing on the cam. It seemed to be right. We had compression, everything was good. Today, Dave pulled another cam from a junkyard that we could check, so we could check out and have something to look at. Because we did all the basic tests. We had fuel pressure, we had spark, we had everything that we needed. Compression was correct. Like, it was insane. We kept chasing the problem. I finally decided to redneck it a little bit, and I held the other cam up because what we thought it would have been I forget what it's called. What's that thing? The constant variable valve timing?
Variable, yeah.
We thought it could have been that. Checked that out. Everything was good. Held the cam up next to it with lining up everything on the cam, and the cam was coming out right. Well, we found timing marks on a different piece. And what it turned out to be, now, this is fucking insane because I've never seen it before. Let me see if I can flip this camera. No, it doesn't want to flip. Either way, that is the cam pulley. Can you see that? It sheared the pin off of the cam pulley. Well, let's see if I can't find a better light. It sheared the pin off of the cam pulley with all that torque on there. So even though we did all the timing belt and checked the valve timing and everything else, but it didn't create no cracks in the motor. It's supposed to be an interface motor. It's supposed to just turn to shit when something breaks. Nothing turned to shit. Valves are all fine. We checked them out. We scoped everything. It seems to be good. So, if you're ever banging your head against it, this is an 07 Kia Sportage. It's got the 2.0. They only put these motors in through like 5 years with whatever kind of crap they put on the motors. But either way, if you ever have a timing issue with these things, these pins can fail. So even though you got your timing belt right, and you still can't figure out what's going on, check this. Now that bolt is on there tighter than shit. It literally took us, it's all standard thread, by the way. It took us a breaker bar with a pipe to get that bolt, and I was rocking the motor back when it finally popped free. But yep, that was it. It was this little pin right there. Snapped off. So, there's a little info for you guys. Have a good night. Hopefully we can have this thing up and running. All right, bye.